What was your guardian angel experience? The day after my daughter was born, I was driving home from a long day at work, excited to see her and my wife. I had a green light when out of nowhere another car slammed into me from the side. The airbag hit me hard and knocked the wind out of me, and after my car stopped spinning, I could barely move. The other woman got out and began screaming at me that I ran the red light. I was too shooken up to process what was happening, and I was soon brought to the hospital. My car was totaled, my back was messed up, and the bills piled on. But then, the lawsuit hit me. The woman claimed I caused the accident and had 2 witnesses, but I knew what happened. My lawyer didn't have much hope, and hers looked like they were out for blood. I could see in their eyes they wanted to ruin me, and without any proof I was innocent, I would have been on the hook for almost $100,000. I was watching my life crumble before me, and after the judge called for a break, I went and bawled my eyes out outside. That's when I was approached by a frail old lady. She told me she was the one who called the ambulance, and actually had dash cam footage of what happened. Her video was played in front of the court, and I was immediately awarded the money to cover all costs. My family and I owe everything to that sweet little lady.